In the heart of Europe, nestled within the embrace of Belgium, lies a city that time seems to have forgotten. Picture cobblestone streets, winding and narrow, leading you through a labyrinth of mesmerizing medieval architecture. This is Bruges, a city where every corner turned and alley explored whispers tales of a bygone era to those who dare to listen. Can you hear it? The clatter of horse hooves against the cobblestones, the distant peal of cathedral bells echoing through the air, the soft murmur of conversations held in the charming cafes that dot the cityscape. It's the Symphony of Bruges, a melody composed over centuries and performed daily in its enchanting backstreets. As we venture deeper into the maze of narrow lanes, the air fills with the mouth-watering scent of freshly baked waffles wafting from tiny, family-run bakeries. The sweet perfume of Belgian chocolate follows closely, a seductive lure to the many chocolatiers displaying their tempting confections in quaint shop windows. Following the aroma of food, we find ourselves in the bustling market square, the city's beating heart. Here, the vibrant colors of fresh produce, the sizzle of street food, and the hum of animated bartering paint a vivid picture of life in Bruges. It's a sensory overload yet soothing in its familiarity. Wandering away from the square, we delve into quieter, less trodden paths. The sound of water gently lapping against the sides of ancient stone bridges resonates in the silence. The reflection of centuries-old houses, their gables a jigsaw puzzle against the sky, shimmers on the surface of the tranquil canals. It's a scene of serene beauty, a peaceful interlude in our journey. Venturing further, we stumble upon hidden gems tucked away from the main thoroughfares. Tiny chapels with stained glass windows casting ethereal light onto hushed interiors. Secret courtyards, their cobblestones moss-covered and walls ivy-clad, whispering tales of clandestine rendezvous and forgotten lore. These are the secrets that Bruges guards jealously, revealed only to those who truly immerse themselves in its labyrinth. In the twilight, as the city starts to wind down, the aroma of hearty Belgian stews from cozy bistros mingles with the crisp evening air. The warm glow of street lamps illuminates the cobbled paths, casting long shadows that seem to dance along with the whispering breeze. It's a magical transformation, a gentle reminder that Bruges, despite its timeless charm, is very much alive and breathing. To summarize this stroll through the backstreets of Bruges is to attempt to capture the essence of a city steeped in history and culture. It's a journey through time, a sensory feast, and a treasure trove of hidden gems. The backstreets of Bruges, with their quaint shops, aromatic eateries, and secret corners, are a testament to the city's enduring charm and timeless allure. From the clatter of horse hooves to the scent of Belgian chocolate, from the vibrant market square to the tranquil canals, and from the hidden chapels to the cozy bistros, every aspect of Bruges whispers a story. And it's through these stories that the city, with its unique blend of history and culture, comes alive. So immerse yourself in the melody of Bruges and let the city reveal its secrets, one cobblestone at a time.